Forecast, News 18. Weather from where you live.
All right, there's our storm. You can already see the trajectory of it. It's moving to the northeast. Here's the viewing area. Notice where the snow is. You can see that it's kind of got its eyes right on us. So you can already see these bands down here in Arkansas, Missouri. That's what will be up this way as we move into the day tomorrow. And the snow will likely begin in the morning. It'll snow through the day, snow ending early tomorrow night with gusty winds blowing and drifting. The snow will end, but it will still be kind of breezy tomorrow night. So even as you get up Thursday morning, still some blowing and drifting issues. And then after much colder weather and things calming down, we may have another accumulating snow very late Friday night into Saturday morning. We'll talk more about that in a few minutes. Overcast tonight, leading edge of the snow likely near Crawfordsville by 6 a.m. and then moving into Lafayette by 7 and then overspreading the area very slowly with time through the morning hours. This is 9 o'clock. Notice that at that point getting up towards White County, Pulaski, even parts of Jasper and Newton counties. And we're still in the snow pretty much area wide at noon. Notice the heavier band kind of pretty much Lafayette up towards Peru, Logansport, Frankfort, and Crawfordsville. A lot of wind with that too. Still snowing 4 p.m. there, but then as we get into early tomorrow night, notice the snow gradually pulling away, and then we'll get the clouds to break up, and the rest of the week will look fine. But it's that next round of snow we'll have to track for late Friday night, early Saturday morning. Wind trend tomorrow, though, notice the trend upward. And it will be snowing at noon, but notice those gusts. This is West Lafayette area, 41 miles an hour. That may be one main surge of stronger wind, and that may be the strongest for the afternoon, but notice it stays kind of gusty all day. So they're going to be blowing and drifting snowfall issues. These are the peak gusts projected for the viewing area. 42 miles an hour Winamac, 41 Lafayette, 41 Fowler. But again, and once you head southeast, check out some of these gusts. You're looking at 45, 48 miles an hour. That's really going to cause that snow to really blow around. And even up here near Morocco, you'll get less snow, but you're still going to get some wind gusts up to 40. And with highs tomorrow, kind of hanging at upper 20s to right around 30, those winds will bring wind chills pretty far down too, generally about 10 to 15 above. Projected snowfall totals, though, this is what we're expecting. First of all, you can see lighter totals of the northwest, heavier totals as you move southeast. Up towards Morocco, 1 to 2 inches. You head from Earl Park up to Kentland and Rensselaer, up towards Wheatfield, Monterey, west of Winamac, 2 to 3 inches. Fowler, Oxford, over towards Boswell and also Wolcott, and then up towards Winamac, about 3 to 4. Lafayette area, generally 4 to 5. You're kind of straddling that 4 to 5 and 5 to 6 inch line. So I think Attica and Covington 4 to 5, West Lafayette 4 to 5, but southeast side of town might get a little more than that, a little over 5. Delphi 4 to 5, and then western Cass County here up towards Royal Center 4 to 5 over a good chunk of Fulton County, 5 to 6. This would be down towards Stockwell, Crawfordsville, Burlington, up towards Logansport, and finally the heavier bands setting up to the southeast, Kokomo, Bunker Hill, and also east side of Frankfort and Forest included, 6 to 7. And this is a kind of honed in look here. 5.7 Crawfordsville, 4.9 Lafayette, 6 Frankfort, 7.1 Atlanta, 4 inches Monticello, but notice 1.6 at Morocco. This storm gets out of here. This is the next one that we'll have to watch. As a matter of fact, once we get into late Friday night, Saturday morning, potential does exist for some accumulating snow. It's too early to tell how much, but we'll certainly keep an eye on it. 70 forecast, there's the snow and the wind tomorrow. 27 colder Thursday. There's the accumulating snow late Friday night into early Saturday coming to an end. And then, a shot of Arctic air with that fresh snowpack. 23 for the high Sunday, 9. And that may be a little too high on Monday morning. Then perhaps a little more snow as we get into Tuesday. Snowy weather pattern and colder than